Hi, this is Journaling Mom, and today we will take you to Tatak Arcade.
Hi everyone! Welcome to the Christmas Unite Bazaar 2024. We are at Tatak Arcade. This is how it looks like. So na yung mga different merchants na December 6 is also the switch on ceremony. But mag-start siya with a parade of lanterns. Tapos sa plaza later, pag musiga na siya, pag ma-switch on na siya, makita po ninyo ang mga giant Christmas symbols. Nato sa Extract Brew, this is one of the stalls. There is a Tatak. They sell coffee and gikan sa ilang farm ang coffee, by the way.
This is Bell Brew, located po sila sa Tatak Arcade. They sell coffee and pastries. If you want to have coffee, you can also visit them here.